everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunity discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is pleased to share an exciting internship opportunity, the WHO Internship Program 2022. The main aim of the WHO internship is to develop a network of potential health workers across the globe who have the potential and skill to promote a healthy society and bring about positive impacts in the health sector. All the internees in the WHO Internship Program will be provided with necessary physical training and gadget training related to the health sector so that a competitive workforce can be developed that will work in the complexities of the health department and promote a healthy lifestyle. The WHO Internship Program benefits both internees and the organization, as WHO have input from young minds on the recent challenges. The internees can have a chance to know their potential, polish their skills, and learn how to deal with the stakeholders in a global health atmosphere. The WHO internship is an incredible opportunity to be added to your CV because it will train you to handle the latest medical tools and provide guidance by international scholars in this field. The WHO internship is beneficial for the internees and the whole society as it will promote global public health awareness. The WHO has been keen to enhance local health system and organize worldwide responses to possible dangers since its founding. Furthermore, WHO encourages countries and partners' effort to ensure that everyone has an equal right to a safe and healthy life. The eligibility criteria to apply for the WHO internship program. The WHO internship is open for all graduates and undergraduate students. Applicant must be a minimum of 20 years of age. Individuals that are included in the World Higher Education Database are encouraged to apply. Proficiency in any one of the WHO official languages according to your country is a must. Any relatives of WHO staff members are not eligible. Applicants are required to have a valid passport of the WHO member country. Any previous WHO internees are not eligible. The benefits of this internship program: lunch or lunch vouchers will be provided. If the WHO realizes candidates are deserving, it will help you financially in terms of living allowance. All the internees will be provided with medical and accidental insurance during their internship tenure. The other details about this internship program: the WHO internship period can be from 6 weeks to 24 weeks and vary from country to country. Applicants are required to submit the following documents: all educational mark sheets and certificates, letter of preference, medical fitness certificate approved by WHO, passport details, and CV and resume. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this page. Scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the WHO official careers homepage. You can see the full details about the WHO internship program, what are the objectives, who is eligible for an internship, how to apply, and click on Apply Now. You have to register an account on the WHO website to start your application. Add in your username, your password, re-enter your password, and then click on Register. The application process for this internship program: at the WHO career site, you can find the current opportunities and then apply for the ones you are suitable for. WHO will send you a confirmation email after they receive your online application. For financial help, you have to fill a declaration form and provide all the necessary financial information correctly. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video and you want more videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family.